I'm Marco Scenero, Senior Scientist here at CPS. In the next few videos, I will be talking about our materials, products, and solutions that we enable for our customers' applications. At CPS, we produce aluminum metal matrix composite materials, primarily concentrating on aluminum silicon carbide. We call it AlSiC. Aluminum silicon carbide has ideal thermal management properties used in high power electronics in a number of applications. AlSiC as a material provides excellent thermal management in these cases, enabling new and high power applications to be realized. AlSiC is lightweight with high strength and high stiffness and is therefore good in avionics applications or any weight sensitive application. We also use AlSiC to provide advanced hermetic package solutions such that are used in satellites and space applications. We can use the same process to make composites of fibers, ceramic tiles, and other elements and other particulates to meet the needs of our armor applications. I will talk more about this in a later video. In general, all the materials and products that we manufacture here at CPS enable new technologies and provide reliability to our end customers. Thank you. More videos to come.